As a DIY home renovator, I'm very comfortable with projects that center around design and decorating. It's the decisions around heat sources or projects to drive energy efficiencies that I find way more challenging. One thing I'm always intimidated by at the start of a renovation is figuring out how I want to heat my home and how I'm going to make it more efficient. These are critical projects you need to budget for at the beginning of a renovation. And if you bring in a home energy advisor, you can even cash in on some amazing rebates through Efficiency Nova Scotia's programs. In order to get the most return for my investment and renovation, I booked an appointment with Dave from Acumen Home Assessment. He toured the space and did an in-depth report that included a full energy assessment of the home and advised me on the types of rebate programs that are available through Efficiency Nova Scotia, so I can make some educated decisions around my home's efficiency before getting too far into this reno. From adding insulation to removing my oil tank, I was able to benefit from some major savings and work the recommendations into my design plans. My beautiful mid-century modern pink front door is a great example of this. Not only does it fit perfectly with the overall style and color scheme of my home, but I was also able to get a rebate from it and bring the efficiency home. Another big win was removing the oil tank and adding heat pumps. From a layout perspective, I actually gained an entire bedroom by removing the old furnace. And then I also got a rebate through Efficiency Nova Scotia, which added money to my overall budget. Once I completed the renovation, Dave came to visit for a final home energy assessment and gave me my new energuide score. I highly recommend taking advantage of these programs when you're renovating. I mean, if you're renovating, then why wouldn't you? Not only did it help my budget, it's also helping the planet. And I feel better knowing I'm making a conscious effort to do what I can in my home to make my home run more efficiently. If you want more information about Efficiency Nova Scotia's programs and the Canadian Greener Home Grant, check out efficiencynovascotia.ca or visit DIYmom.ca to read the blog with all my recommendations and tips from my own personal experience.